I bought this tourniquet from Amazon. In this video, I'm going to open it and to put this on to see how it works. Let's get started. So this is the menu. So basically this is a very good quality of the vacuum, and let me open it. So it's designed for the one-hand operation. For example, if I got injured and I'm gonna just put it tight like this. After you wrap the vacuum to here and you twist it, it will further squeeze the wound and you clip here. So if you feel like it's still not enough, you just squeeze that again, but I cannot. It's really tight. Okay, just like that. And you close here, you can write the time on it. So what time the injury happens. I'm gonna lose it because it's really tight. And I think if you go by yourself or with a group, I think this is a must-have. Just give it more time. For example, if somebody get injured, just give it more time until the first aid comes. It's easy to use and function is simple. Just stop the bleeding. Alright, hopefully this video is helpful. Thank you for watching.